Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox the Chanel item I purchased last March. This is from the 21A collection and the most expensive item I bought from Chanel. So this includes a small book which talks about the process of making the iconic bag, which is the classic flat bag, and of course the care manual and the white cleaning cloth. So this bag retails for $8,800 US plus tax. So I paid like almost $10,000 for this bag. It's a lot more expensive than the regular medium classic flap, but I really like the design, so I got it anyway. So here she is, guys. This is the iconic classic flat bag Lucky Charm collection in medium size. As you can see, it contains all the iconic pieces of Chanel. So this bag is made from lambskin and with aged gold hardware. It's made from lambskin, but it looks and feels like a more sturdy kind of lambskin. And the quilting looks puffier, which is one of the reasons why I fell in love with this bag. Here are more details of the bag. So it is a double classic flat bag, and I was really surprised to see the inside because of the color. The interior is in gold color, which really matches all the charms. It looks elegant with the gold color of the interior, and look at that beauty, guys. I really like how it shines. So perfect, right? So this is the authenticity card still wrapped on a paper. And on the inside, it has 2 pockets and 1 pocket for lipstick. And of course, the flat zip pocket on the flap. So here's a more close-up detail of the bag. So the CC turn lock logo is also in aged gold color. We have here Chanel charm with pearls and crystal, the CC logo with crystal, the 5 logo with pearls, and the Chanel 5 perfume with pearls, and the famous 31 Rue Cambon Paris. So we can also see here another Camellia and the star with a pearl. Next, we also have Chanel logo, another Chanel logo, and another Camellia flower, another 5 logo with pearls, and another Paris with pearls and a star, and another Camellia with a pearl.